This is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. This is a treatment that is perfect for dry or damaged hair. I personally am really prone to dry, brittle ends. I have no idea why. I don't bleach my hair. It must be the heat tools, I'm not really sure. But when I use this in place of my regular conditioner every second or third wash, it really revitalizes my hair, gives it loads of shine, and makes the ends feel really soft. So you just need to distribute this evenly through your hair. Focus on the ends though, because the ends are usually the area that need it most. Oh, this treatment smells so good. Everything of Palmer's smells so good. It smells good enough to eat. It contains coconut oil, Tahitian Monoi Oil, vitamin E, keratin, and silk protein, all that help build strength, but it also gives it that beautiful condition and shine. So I'm just going to tie my hair up into a little bun. I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes and then I'm going to go and wash it out.